Learn 5 new C1 words today. Meaning, examples, and a short story for each word. Boost your vocabulary. And let's begin with the first word of day 9. Craving. A very strong desire for something. Synonyms: desire, hunger, urge.
She felt a sudden craving for chocolate late at night. His craving for recognition pushed him to work harder. The craving for adventure led her to visit over 100 countries. His craving for dominance eventually ruined his family.
Naomi had always dreamed of becoming a chef. Her craving for new flavors drove her to experiment endlessly in the kitchen. One day, her unique recipe impressed the head of a famous restaurant, and she was invited to become the head chef at their new branch. What is the craving you've ever had for food, success, or something else? Write it in the comments.
Pursue. To follow or chase something, either literally or figuratively. Synonyms: follow, chase, strive for.
She moved to London to pursue her dream of singing. He decided to pursue a career in medicine. I'm determined to pursue my goals despite the obstacles. The company will pursue a new marketing strategy.
Liam always dreamed of running his own business. He chose to pursue entrepreneurship by opening a cozy cafe near his university. With creative menus and live music nights, the place soon became a local favorite where students and neighbors gathered every evening. What hobby or interest would you like to pursue more seriously? Write it in the comments. Contradictory. Containing or expressing ideas, facts, or statements that oppose each other. Synonyms: conflicting, inconsistent, incompatible.
I find his argument to be contradictory and weak. The two witnesses gave contradictory statements. She got contradictory advice from two different doctors. The report contains contradictory information.
Alex had prepared for months for his job interview. He finally got an offer from a big company, but now his feelings were contradictory. He felt proud of the achievement yet anxious about handling his new duties. Only a talk with his best friend helped him feel calm again. Substantially. To a large degree, considerably, by a great amount. Synonyms: greatly, significantly, notably.
Energy use has been cut substantially thanks to new technology. Profits increased substantially after the new product launch. The population of the city has grown substantially over the last decade. Attendance at the festival rose substantially compared to last year.
Maria opened a tiny bakery in her neighborhood. After she launched a Facebook page and started posting photos, orders increased substantially. Soon, she had to hire extra help and expand her menu, as lines of customers began forming outside every morning. Bear fruit. To produce good results, to be successful after effort. Synonyms: succeed, pay off, yield results.
Her hard work in training bore fruit when she won the medal. She knew that her patience would eventually bear fruit. Years of research bore fruit with a groundbreaking discovery. Their efforts to raise money are beginning to bear fruit.
Chloe kept rewriting chapters of her novel again and again. Months passed, and she still wasn't satisfied with the result. At last, her dedication bore fruit when the book was published and quickly climbed the bestseller list. Today we've learned craving, pursue, contradictory, substantially, bear fruit. You'll see them again in future videos, so they'll stick in your memory. Subscribe, and see you tomorrow for more C1 words.